Transform your mornings with cafe-quality coffee at home. One machine for espresso, lungo, and full-sized mug coffees, perfect for busy kitchens, small offices, and weekend baristas. Make cappuccinos, lattes, and iced drinks in minutes. Nespresso Vertuo Next brews 5, 8, 12, 18-ounce coffees. Also single and double espressos with rich crema every time. 37-ounce removable water tank for longer, uninterrupted brewing. 30-second heat up gets your first cup fast. Centrifusion extraction reads, capsule barcode for perfect brew profiles. One-touch brewing and automatic cup size recognition, simplify use. Automatic capsule ejection keeps the machine clean and convenient. Includes Aeroccino milk frother for hot and cold. Microfoam. Create silky cappuccinos, smooth lattes, and iced milk drinks. Starter set of Vertuo capsules included. Flavors may vary. Aluminum capsules seal freshness and are recyclable through Nespresso compact footprint, fits small counters, apartments, and office kitchens. By DeLonghi, white finish with sleek brushed metal top. Barcode brewing delivers consistent extraction, intensity, and silky crema. Enjoy cafe-quality morning rituals without leaving home or waiting. Serve guests impressive espresso and large coffees effortlessly. Iced beverage mode, doubles brew for concentrated over ice pours, removable water tank and auto-eject, simplify daily maintenance. Please consult the user guide before first use for safety. Ideal for coffee lovers, small offices, and boutique hosts. Fast, consistent cups save time and elevate everyday routines. Upgrade your countertop to pro-level coffee with one machine. Tap to buy now and receive the starter capsule set. Bring home Nespresso Vertuo Next. Cafe results, zero compromise. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.